Good morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly and happy Friday. I'm Hannah.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
First, after-school tutoring will happen on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays every week from 4 to 5:30 p.m. in the library. On Tuesdays, students can get help in English, science, history, and math. On Wednesdays, we will have tutors for science and math. Thursday, we will have tutors in history, science, and econ. A tutoring bus will run on all 3 evenings at 5:30 outside the library.
Second, do you have any Plaid points by chance? To check your point balance and redeem rewards, log into Student View, click the MTSS tab. This will display any point balance the student has, and if they continue to scroll, they will see all the inventory for the student store. They just need to select purchase, and the item is theirs. Items purchased online will be delivered to the student during class by a PAC student. If they have no points, it will say no data.
Third, the rewards for Plaid points this year are shirts, hoodies, crew neck stickers, pens, lanyards, bracelets, water bottles, crock gibbets, keychains, and Stanley Cup toppers.
It's time for a commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
Hey Scots, I'm Aubrey. Interested in community service? Come to the Red Cross Club meeting today at lunch in room 14C for information about the organization and upcoming events.
Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for sports.
Welcome to sports. I'm Raquel.
Hey Scots, I'm Ja.
Highlands football team is now 3-0.
They won last night's game against Kennedy.
Great job to the football team.
Now let's go interview with some volleyball girls.
Hello, I'm Gracie. I'm here with.
Alexis Jackson.
And what's your position on the volleyball team?
I am middle blocker.
Isabel Shear.
What is your position on the team?
I'm an outside hitter.
How is the season going so far?
I think the season's going good. We've had our ups and downs.
Why should people come out and watch volleyball this season?
I think the game's fun to watch and the games are usually really hyped.
I think that everybody should come out to support your teams and just make our crowd even bigger.
What is the best part of being on the volleyball team here at Highland?
I'd say it's probably the sisterhood and the connection that you feel with all the girls. I play volleyball because it's the love of my life. I love it so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gracie.
Remember Scots, if you want to play a sport here at Highland, remember to stop by the athletics office.
That's it for sports for today.
Let's go back with the ladies.
Now we are going to introduce 2 new segments at Scots Weekly.
Check out these videos.
What is your favorite movie?
I don't watch movies.
You don't watch any movies? What about shows?
I watch Family Guy.
Family Guy's good. I like Family Guy.
Yeah.
Anyone But You. Cute. Okay, I haven't seen that one yet. One of my favorite movies is Donnie Darko. Coraline.
Probably like Robots or something like that. Like
Robots?
a kid movie.
Okay. What event are you looking forward to most this year?
I don't really know the events. What's the events?
Like football games, dances.
Bro, I'm trying to go to all the football games. Look.
The end of the school year.
Yeah. Me too.
No, just kidding. Actually, I'm looking forward to the homecoming game.
Okay, yeah, that's exciting.
Homecoming sounds pretty fun.
Homecoming, oh dear.
Event?
Yeah.
Probably one of the dances.
Graduation. I'm ready to leave.
Yeah, graduation.
Graduation.
Hi, I'm Gabby. Hi, I'm Roxana, and today's week's question is,
How is your school year going so far?
who am I here with today?
Ephraim Mendoza.
How's your school year going so far?
Pretty cool. Pretty good.
Is there anyone you would like to give a shout out to?
Shout out my boy Tino. He my dog for real.
Okay, today I'm here with,
Isaiah.
and how's your school year been so far?
It's going good.
And is there anyone you want to shout out?
Miss Nelson.
Who am I here with today? Alexa. How's your school year going so far?
My school year is going pretty good. I'm excited for all the events this year.
Is there anybody you would like to give a shout out to?
Angel Camacho Higuera.
Who am I here with today?
Arch.
Today's week's question is, how's your school year going so far for you?
Pretty good. I like the activities and the football games going on here.
Okay, that's good. Okay, today I'm here with
Mason Wilson.
And how has your school year been so far?
It's been cool. It's been cool.
And is there anyone you would like to shout out?
I like to shout out Julian Jackson, my JV Warrior.
Me?
Yep.
Oh my God, bro, I love you so much, bro. You so heart welcoming, bro.
Who am I here with today?
Hannah.
Today's week's question is, how's your school year going so far?
It's going pretty good, actually. Not too bad, not too bad.
Is there anybody you would like to give a shout out to?
Shout out Celeste. Shout out Celeste. Okay.
Who am I here with today?
Natalia.
How's your school year going so far for you?
It's good. It's kind of whack.
Is there anyone you would like to shout out?
Jackie. And my bestie, Jessica.
Okay, today I'm here with.
Mr. Romero.
And how's the school year been so far for you?
It's been great. It's the best time of the year. It's fall.
And is there anyone you would like to shout out today?
I'd like to shout out to our English 9 team. You guys are doing awesome.
Thank you, ladies.
That's it for today.
And thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.
Lanyards, bracelets, water bottles, crocs.
Oh my god. Thank you for watching.